Guys, look who's been crying. It's 3 a.m. and she has cried off and on since I made the last video. Little Ashley. She wants to go with me to Amarillo, and was laying by sweet Laura Caroline, and she was crying so hard and saying that she wanted to go too. So she's dressed in her cute little outfit, and I just fed her this bottle because she cry, and I guess I'm going to take two babies to Amarillo. Little Ashley and Laura Caroline, because I just can't let her cry herself to sleep every night like that. And Linda would have her hands full with all the babies. The rest of them seem to be okay with me going, but she is just a little bit attached to me, and so she's going to go with Laura Caroline and I to Amarillo, and hopefully we'll have some good shopping videos. And we are really enjoying Natalie's shopping videos. Oh my goodness, it's so entertaining, Natalie. Thank you so much for making those videos. And we are definitely going to try to go to a Babies R Us this weekend. Those were beautiful things. So shout out for Natalie Reborns. Great videos you're putting out. So there she is, finally asleep after I told her she could go, and fed her about 2 ounces of her milk out of this Playtex nurser. So Linda, I think it's a good idea to take her, don't you?
Yeah, if she stopped crying, yeah.
Okay, I will. All right, bye-bye, guys.